Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to explore one of WhatsApp's most useful features, starred messages. If you're like many of us, you've probably starred a few messages here and there to keep track of important information or memorable conversations. But have you ever wondered how to easily find these starred messages on WhatsApp web? Let's dive in and find out. First things first, you need to open WhatsApp web on your PC. Simply navigate to web.whatsapp.com in your favorite browser and log in with your WhatsApp account. Once you're logged in, you'll see your chats listed on the screen. Now, let's get to the good stuff. To find all your starred messages, you need to click on the three dots located at the top right corner of the chat window. This is often referred to as the kebab menu, and it gives you access to several useful options. From the drop-down menu, select Starred Messages. This will open a new window displaying all the messages you've starred across your chats. It's incredibly handy for quickly accessing important information without having to scroll through entire conversations. Imagine being able to revisit that crucial piece of information or funny joke without having to dig through hundreds of messages. That's exactly what starred messages allow you to do. Whether it's a vital piece of information for work or a heartfelt message from a loved one, starring messages helps you keep track of what matters. If you want to view starred messages from a specific chat, you can do that too. Simply open the chat, click on the contact or group name at the top, and then select starred messages from the info page. This way, you can focus on the important messages within a particular conversation. Starring messages is not just about organization, it's also about making sure you don't miss out on anything important. Whether you're using WhatsApp for personal or professional purposes, this feature can be a lifesaver. That's it for today's tutorial. By following these simple steps, you can easily find and manage your starred messages on WhatsApp web. If you found this helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.